Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a recipe. Today's recipe is Grinch Brownies. You're going to start off with any box of brownies, follow the instructions, and get the batter ready. I'm also taking some Mint Oreos. I have 16 here, and I'm cutting them into quarters. You'll need about 10 more later on, but I counted mine out first. And when you're done chopping all those, you're going to add them to the brownie batter. So I'm just going to fold those in, just give it a light mix, and then those are ready for baking. I have a 9x13 baking dish that's lined with parchment paper, just so they're easy to get out afterwards. I'm going to add my batter and smooth it out. It will be pretty thin, but trust it works. I'm used to making like super thick brownies, but this turned out perfect. So then I have the additional 10 that I'm also going to quarter. And I'm going to bake the brownies and let them cool down quite a bit. Then I'm making some toppings for it. So we have 2 cups of white chocolate chips and a half cup of heavy cream. I have a little double boiler and I'm going to keep stirring it until everything is completely melted. This is the longest process. It did take a long time for that. As you can see, the brownies are done baking. They're in the background. And once that's completely done, I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. These brownies have a very faint hint of peppermint. It's not overpowering. If you want to add more, you can, but I thought a 1/4 teaspoon was perfect. And I'm also going to add in a few drops of green food coloring to make them more Grinchy. And once you get the color that you like, you can pour them on the brownies. And this made just enough of the icing or the topping. So once I dumped everything out, I picked up the side and just kind of moved it around to coat everything evenly. And when you're done with that, you're going to top it with the remaining Oreo cookies. I took my time to place them so like every cut brownie would have a piece of cookie on it. Then I also took some cinnamon candies. You could find those at most grocery stores. Target didn't have it, but the grocery stores did. And that's going to represent the Grinch's heart. So again, I tried to arrange them so when cut, there would be at least one on each brownie. And you might be thinking cinnamon chewy candy with white chocolate and peppermint Oreos. Trust me, it was delicious. It worked. And I liked the cinnamon on there. I kind of wish I put more of them on there. And my mother, who does not like mint flavored things whatsoever, tried it because I kept telling her it's a very subtle mint. She said they were the best brownies she's ever eaten. So they were a hit. And I did return it to the fridge to let everything set up, let that chocolate harden, and then I was able to lift it up and slice it into bars. I made the bars pretty big. I wish I would have made them a little bit smaller, but that's okay. And here is what they looked like when they were cut. Super delicious. If you guys would like to try this recipe, I have it linked below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.